Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am so grateful to have you here. Either way, we have a super satisfying video coming at you today. We are going to be doing a kitchen deep clean, and we get in all the nooks and crannies and really get this kitchen looking so much better. We're going to be tackling all the appliances today and even the refrigerator. We're going to completely unload that, reload it after we've cleaned it out, and it'll be so satisfying to watch. I'm starting out here with my oven. I wanted to give this a good spray down with the Easy Off oven cleaner. And what you do is you just spray this in your oven and then leave it for 20 minutes to sit. So we will see what all I can get tackled in the 20 minutes that this is just sitting and working on removing all of that grimy, greasy, nasty mess from the oven. Also, some very exciting news is we did hit 50 subscribers over the weekend, and we will be doing a giveaway in this video, so make sure you stick around till the end to figure out how to enter.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Now I'm going to be moving over to my dishwasher. I had noticed when I was unloading it that there was like a black line of dirt on the bottom of the dishwasher there. I couldn't really see it good without really looking for it. So I wanted to get in here and give this a good clean down. Honestly, I haven't done this in probably about a year. I know, which is really gross, but I needed to get in here and tackle that. And all I'm using is the Method Anti-Bac Cleaner. And I ended up going in with a toothbrush that I use to clean sometimes to really get all of that moldy, gross stuff out.
Now we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Like you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time.
And one thing that you may not know about your dishwasher is you do have a filter in the bottom. You'll see me take it out here. And every once in a while, you just want to twist that out. Normally, you just twist it to the left or the right, and it pops right out. And you can take that over to your sink and give that a good spray down. I have been told not to use cleaners on it, but man, that's totally your discretion. I didn't use any on mine. I just used some really warm water, and then I went in with my little toothbrush cleaner brush as well and rubbed the sides down really good to make sure there wasn't any more of that grime still stuck in between the filters.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get out, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
Now that our Easy Off has been sitting for 20 minutes in the oven, we are going to jump in there and scrub really hard and get all of this grimy mess off of here. So all I have is just my Scrub Mommy brush along with that Easy Off oven cleaner. And I'm just going to go in and scrub down all the sides, the back, the bottom, and then the glass. And honestly, this worked really, really well. There were a couple of spots that you'll still see really dark spots, and they would not budge. So I'm going to have to try to figure out something else for that. If you have any recommendations, just jump down below and let me know. But after I wiped off everything with my Scrub Mommy sponge, I just went in with some paper towels and cleaned up that mess that was left behind.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love guns. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own. On my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, you tell me that I made you think if we have something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own. On my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, baby. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
So now that the oven and dishwasher are totally clean, I am going to be wiping down the countertops as well as cleaning the outsides of the oven and dishwasher. And for my oven and my microwave, and then also my fridge later on in the video, I will be using a stainless steel cleaner with a stainless steel cloth to wipe those down and clean those off. However, on my dishwasher, for whatever reason, every time I use a stainless steel cleaner, it streaks it really bad and doesn't get it clean. So I saw another YouTuber using her Dawn Power Wash on her dishwasher, and it leaves it pretty streak free and it really cleans it really well. So I've been doing that lately and it works perfectly. Now we're going to be cleaning out the inside of the microwave, and a good tip is to take a bowl of water, add about 3 cups of water and then a cup of vinegar into your bowl. Put it in your microwave for 5 minutes, and that's really going to loosen up all of the grimy mess that you have in there and make it really simple to wipe down.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. You said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
So as promised, like I mentioned, we are going to be doing a giveaway in this video, and I have decided to give the winner 3 different options of what they would like to have. So the first option would be I can mail you a goodie pack of cleaning items that I really enjoy. The second option would be a gift card to Target. And then the third option is going to be Venmo or Cash App, just cash sent to you. So I will announce in just a little bit how to enter that giveaway. It's going to be super simple. And then once I announce the winner on the next video, you would just let me know which gift you would like.
Feel like I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know what places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
I really hope that you guys are enjoying your summer so far. We have really just enjoyed relaxing here at my house. It's given me the opportunity to clean more and film more, which I absolutely love. My son Hunter, he is all about playing with his sister during the day, so that really gives me an opportunity to have some time where I can just put into filming and editing videos for you guys, and I'm really looking forward to hopefully getting out more than just 1 a week videos this summer.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Now it's time to jump over and get this fridge cleaned out. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, it has been a hot minute since I unloaded everything from the fridge, gave it a really thorough wipe down, and then put everything back in an organized place. This is going to be the day before I actually did all the cleaning that I did the refrigerator, and we had just gotten back from picking up a couple things from the grocery store, and I was just really tired of looking at how nasty and how unorganized the fridge was, so I decided to pull everything out, give it a good wipe down, and then put everything back in.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
Okay, so it is time for our giveaway. There's going to be 3 simple steps to follow to get entered into the giveaway. This is a subscribers giveaway, so it's only for my subscribers. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure your notification bell is set to all so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. The second step is to like this video. And you can do that right down below this video. Just hit the little thumbs up button. And then the third step is going to be to comment on the video and let me know the last time you completely cleaned out your refrigerator.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, no.
Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I really hope that I gave you some encouragement. Hopefully you pulled out your to-do list and tackled some things along with me today. But even if you just came to hang out, thank you so much for being here. Good luck to all of you on the giveaway. I will be announcing that in probably not the next video, because I probably will put another video out this week, but in the first video for next week, early next week, I will be announcing the winner there. And what I will do is I will just comment under or reply to your comment in the video, and then I will pin that to the top of the comments, and then just reach out to me through my email, which I will leave on there, and you can let me know how you would like to receive your gift and send me all of that information. Good luck to each and every one of you. I wish I could just give all of you this giveaway prize, but unfortunately that's not the case right now. But I do just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channel and being here. It means so much to me, and I could not be doing this without you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.